So I will cut my grad this morning. Y'all heard that Jasmine Sullivan. You know we chilling. I told y'all about FedEx, right? I told y'all how I was playing the earnings. I made that video a couple days ago. Yeah, I got wrecked because FedEx, they said something about increased operating costs or some BS like that, right? So basically how I'm finna play this, I'm gonna give like 1 to 2 days for the cool off. Looking at this RSI down here, what you wanna see is for the RSI to set up a higher low. Because if it get down here and test the 200-day moving average, I'm probably gonna buy it whether the RSI give me that or not. But if it don't test the 200-day, then I gotta find another reason to convince myself I'm good to buy. FedEx, I believe, is still in that cup and handle. So we just zoom way out. You'll see if you got like a cup and handle type setup and you get the increase, that go like your cut, like, you see what I'm saying, right? And then you get an expected pullback. But me, I was being aggressive, thinking the pullback was done. After you get that pullback, then the cup and handle trend shoot up. Like the arrow is what I'm saying, the trend like go. So this obviously ain't nothing guaranteed, but you want to get in at real good prices. So yeah, let me show you how I got wrecked. So there goes FedEx, and you see I got destroyed. This is my aggressive account. I was like, I'm going in, like, and actually I had some July 2nd contracts too, but like all of it got wrecked. I'm still holding it just because I'm like, if it ain't go up, then might as well just keep it. Because if I sell it, I get like $16 or something. So whatever, right? So the reality of when I bought all these contracts on FedEx was that it could go down. Because at the same time me doing this, yeah, it's that hotel. See, y'all don't know about that hotels, man. Like, yeah, we get right out here, you know what I'm saying? Let me put y'all on the song. That's that hotels. I don't know if you can see it. That's that Jasmine Sullivan, man. Y'all know the deal. But at the same time, getting wrecked by FedEx, I took another risk and got caught Nike. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, we caught Nike today. You feel me? You know what I'm talking about? So, well, I bought that yesterday, and had I not went so heavy on FedEx, because Nike was last second, because my homeboy Trey, he told me about it. So, my phone going on right now. MTW, yeah, MTW snapping. Yeah, we had some of that. I got some of that too. But that beside the point. And what I be saying, like, when I make the aggressive play, like, I'm already ready to take the L because I got so much other stuff set up where it won't even matter that, like, you know what I'm saying, I'm taking the L. But the purpose of this video is supposed to be how I'm finna trade FedEx. So I'm gonna trade FedEx. I'm gonna get like 1 or 2 days for the sell off. And like Monday or Tuesday, I'm gonna start. I might get a little bit today at the end of the day just to see how I do, because looking like the 5-minute chart. It ain't really, I mean, you had the initial decline from yesterday and it ain't really done much of nothing. So I feel like the fact that it ain't sold off like crazy just make me want to believe that we going, because look at what it was doing. Like, it tested the 50-day, closed above the 50-day, then had good action into earnings, and then you had the BS. Now, think about that too. Like we say, talk about the high-low setup. FedEx could very well go fill this gap. FedEx, it might want to fill that gap. So that's why I be like, I'm finna add something. But if I add something, I gotta add long term. So I'm holding. Let me see what I'm holding. Oh yeah, that's my joint right here. I'm holding August 20th, $330 call options on FedEx right now. They down 62%. So I'll show you right there. Whatever, you can't see it, but they down 62%. And like, I bought XLF. Look at all the trades, some of the trades that I had mentioned before. Like we do this for real. I bought XLF at the 50-day moving average. Jen got wrecked. Got down here to the 61.8 field. We started going there. I've been making crazy money off XLF, like thousands of dollars the past few days, just because it's going back up. Like, look at Citigroup Bank. I just made like $230 off Citigroup from my homeboy. Like, yo, Citigroup, coming off the $69 support area, it bouncing. So I got some of that made $230. JP Morgan, I'm still holding me some JP Morgan because they didn't even tested the 50-day yet. And you know what I'm saying, that's one of the top notch banks right there. So it comes starting to test the 50-day moving average. I'm gonna sell my July 23rd contracts I got on that. Made money off Bank of America today because it's testing the 50-day moving average. So I sold my short-term stuff. Mind you, I'm still holding long-term stuff for all this. So Moztec, I told you about Moztec. It's going. Look at CAT. I done made thousands of dollars off CAT, and I'm still holding some long-term CAT. So like, seeing this don't bother me because this account is aggressive. I can always replenish this account. I just make one good trade, or I just put my cash back in there, like whatever. Because in this account, I'm just learning how to, you know what I'm saying, learning risk management, how I want to start doing it and all that stuff. So it's like, you see MTW, man. I mean, we've been on this down here. MTW sell off, we back in there. You feel me? So it's like we got players on top of players, like everything working, man. You look at Disney. I caught Disney yesterday. Disney had a little high low setup right here. The RSI is higher, so you know what I'm saying. Like it ain't no BS, little jump right here. That it's testing that 50-day moving average, and by the end of the day today, depending on where we close, I'm probably finna add some more because I made a few $100s off Disney. We bought some yesterday. Now, you know what I'm saying? Because, like, Disney probably going to break out. FedEx, like I said, man, it's probably going to fill that gap. It's going to want to fill that gap. But I'm going to see Monday or Tuesday which way it's trying to go because it's a real slow-moving stock. So, like, this bleed off today could be the very beginning. It might bleed off for, like, 3-4 days before you really can tell what kind of move it's going to make. So, if we start testing the 200-day moving average, I'm going in like crazy, man. As long as it's holding the 200-day, but I'm willing to bet that it's probably gonna definitely hold that 200-day. And DIA, I got some short-term DIA. So all this stuff, the short-term DIA, I got some short-term SPY. Got DIAs because it was oversold. We talked about this in the video, I think, or maybe we just talked about industrials. I don't know. I know I talked to my group about it, but it's oversold. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's gonna test that 50-day. Yesterday, right before close, it was closing right at the 50-day. So I bought some July 2nd contracts. I don't know if I screenshot that one or not once I sold it, but I bought some July 2nd at the money contracts. Yeah, I did not screenshot that one, but made like a few $100s like that. And I'm still holding my long-term and more medium-term DIA. So it's not like I'm just getting rid of all my assets. Like when these opportunities come, that's why I don't mind taking that risk because I know, one, I done already made money off Tesla. Two, whatever I lose is assuming we ain't even counting Tesla. Whatever I'm losing, like I got so much stuff to just back me up. So I'm actually green today. FedEx had that big of a day, and overall for all my portfolios, I'm still green, still profitable for the day. So like, I don't know if I'm profitable on my realized gains. I say that, but Disney, man, is probably finna break out. Like everything been breaking this downtrend lately. Like we're not gonna assume that. We're just gonna, I mean, so we're just gonna wait and see. But like I said, I might add some more today. Just some more July 16th contracts right at the money. Because I'm up like 16% right now, just because I declined a little bit. But I'm just wait till the end of the day to see what it's finna do. I'm not gonna rush it. I'm gonna just be patient, and you know what I mean, just like that. And just a quick little update on the tech stuff. We talked about Tesla. We talked about Square. I told you I won't finna overpay for. I think we talked about it right here. It's been shooting up ever since then. I'm not finna overpay for nothing. So something I was talking about this morning to my group. I wanted to short Amazon. Look, the trend line right there. I wanted to short Amazon, but it costs too much money. It costs way too much money. Matter of fact, let's look at put options right now on Amazon. Amazon been getting rejected at that trend line for months. I'll show you in a minute. Like, first, I'm not finna pay that much money for one contract. Like, if I had ridiculous money, I can pay $5,000 for a contract. I ain't finna do that. Even if you go a little bit further out the money, it ain't still like $4,000. But look at it, bro. The put options on Amazon. You can kind of see it. They up like 50-something% today. So that's if they. You know what I'm saying? You buy one for like $2,000, you got 50%. That's $1,000, man. Like we do this for real. Just looking at this trend line, man. Look at this trend line. I called it out in my group today. I told them about it. I'm gonna show you the message if I can find it too. Let me take myself off the screen real quick. Let me turn this down because I hope y'all can hear me. I hope y'all can hear everything I've been talking about. But just look at Amazon. It's been getting rejected up in that every time. Like the blue line. Just follow the blue line. Like it's easy. And look at the RSI. You had an oversold price rising. RSI get high, Price still up there. 9 is low. You got a lower RSI. I literally texted that to my group this morning. But I told him straight out, like, bro, that costs too much. I ain't finna buy that. Got me tripping. But anyway, that's a little update on how stuff going and how I'm finna trade FedEx. But other than that, like the banks went crazy, everything went crazy. I'm out of most of my short-term stuff because it's Friday, it's payday. We get paid every Friday. We get paid every day, but we make sure we get paid every Friday. Nike, God, I wish I would have bought like a whole bunch of them, but FedEx gonna get me back right for sure. FedEx definitely gonna get me back right. They making real slow stocks, so we'll see. There's some alerts going off for XLF. Let's see what it's doing real quick. That's how I operate. Like I don't even be on my phone all day. I just set alerts, just let it rock. So oh yeah, look like we testing the 50-day. Yeah, I mean, figured that was gonna happen today, but everything probably gonna get rejected. It's going to the weekend. I doubt that we break out today, but you never know. You never know. Closing at the 50-day is bullish for me, so I might consider adding to my long terms at the end of the day today. Hey man, so just make sure you follow the Instagram 6fatdaddy9. We got a group chat on WhatsApp right now, but July 1st we should be still excellent left. July 1st we should be having our Discord pumping and jumping. Me, Hans, Trey, Ryan, the group, the guys. So we just be calling out some bangers, man. We take some L's every now and again. Everybody do, but we ain't pressed about none of that. That's my baby right here. I needed to break though, man. I mean, I needed to slow down. I can't pay these prices for it, man. I should have got up in here when I was tripping, but that's when the Fed meeting and everything was going on, man. I was scared. Then I bought everything that went down. Boy, I was sick to my stomach. But we back though. We back. I ain't tripping though. We back. Yeah, make sure you follow the Instagram and you know what I'm saying, hit me up, join the WhatsApp, all that good stuff. I'm finna go cut my grass. I ran 2 miles this morning. You know what I'm saying? I make sure I work out and all that stuff. I lost my AirPods, so don't, you know what I mean? I had to go back to the OGs, but that's besides the point. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff, and get you some bangers, man. Just go make some investments. So I'm gonna holler at y'all. I hope everybody keep making good money, man.